Hi guys, let's do our rainbow together. After you must have removed your 7 portions of fondant and added your color, you pick up one, remember to knead it, place it on the table and smoothen it. Just keep rolling while you smoothen with your smoothener. That's just the trick to getting a smooth and equal sized rainbow. Okay, see what you do. You pick it up, you knead it. After kneading it, you roll it a bit in your hand such that it will form the shape, or the straight shape. You now place it on your table and start rolling and smoothing with your smoothener. If you do it with your hand, if you smoothen with your hand all way long, it's not going to be straight and it's not going to be equal. It's going to look like that other rainbow on that cake that I said is not looking perfect. Okay, so after smoothing the 7, you place your base. This base can be carton, it can be straw board, it can be whatever thing you want to use. So it can even be fondant, it can be whatever you want to use as your base. You start lining it up one after the other. Remember to add your edible glue in between each line. Add your edible glue, after which you trim off your excess and you place on your cake. Here is our rainbow. The trick to getting a flawless rainbow is just to smoothen on a flat surface with your smoothener. Put your skewers to enable it stand, and then you place gently into your cake. Voila, we have a beautiful cake here. Can you see how smooth it is? It's not looking anything like the other one. Cheers. See you in the next class. Bye.